Hi everyone, this is Allie, and today I have some images I colored up from the Club La La Land Crafts November 2018 Club Kit. This is a kit you can get every month. It's a surprise. Sometimes I do buy it, sometimes I don't. Um, I can never keep up on everything. I try to get kits and then I fall behind. So I can't always get them, but I thought this one was so cute. It actually reminds me of a Scooby-Doo movie, and I'm trying to think of what the name of it was, with Kiss. And my daughter loves to watch that movie, so this is the images that it reminded me of. So I couldn't wait to color this up and put it together. So I took inspiration from just seeing how other people had colored the images, and then I played around with some of my colors. Her hair came out pretty good. It's black with that purple in it, and then some fun bright colors on all the images. I love that little hippo who's sitting at the drums with the star over his eye. And then I just took some pattern paper. This is from MFT, some of their old packs, dots and stripes that I used, and I just made like a fun pattern with it. I just wanted mainly the images to stand out. Um, so I just made up my own little pattern there with some of the pieces to use them up. And then I used some of the Scotch 3M foam tape to add some dimension. And I think I used my Gina K Connect glue for most of that after. And I'm just going along gluing those on. Sometimes I will add a little extra glue to the Scotch foam tape just in case. And that one I just put on so there would be different dimensions on the card. And there I am just fussing around to see where Marcy would go best. I am going to add some music to this. There's not too much to talk about. You can see what I'm doing in the video. If you have any questions after you watch the video, please put them down in the comments for me. I will try to respond. It may not always be in the most timely manner. I am a mom trying to work on these. So, but I will try to read all the comments and respond to you. If in the future you would rather watch me color the images, please let me know. As I'm starting this YouTube journey, I'm going to try to figure out my niche and what to include and what not to include in my videos. So I'm kind of playing around with it, adding some music to some, maybe leaving some coloring in some, maybe not. So I hope you stay with me and I grow as a video maker. And I hope you liked my card. Thanks and have a great day.